Morning everyone, rise and shine. It's Wednesday morning and it is diva time again. Hope all is well with you. Welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Before I get started, and what I want to talk to you about today is I just wanted to mention that my last two videos, the last 2 weeks, I've been posting on a Wednesday, again today on a Wednesday. And I think I'm going to keep this time slot. I'll tell you why. Although I loved my Saturdays, one of the things that I found really difficult was, as you know, I love to reply to my comments. And when I post on Saturday, I reply on Sundays. And Sundays, what I do is I start at about 5 a.m. and I go till about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And my day is shot, virtually. And, you know, some people say, you don't have to reply to my comment, no big deal. For me, it is a big deal. I figure if you have taken the time to leave me a comment, I owe you a reply. That is the way I am in my personal life as well as my professional life. It's just something I believe in. So the fact that I post on Wednesday, it gives me the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, to be able to reply to my comments. So I asked Carol if she wanted to join me. She's going to stick to the Saturday. That time slot works for her. But with me, with my very intense work schedule, I work full time, this works out better for me. So hopefully you don't mind. So now enough of that blah, blah, blah. You know the drill, ladies. Grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, and if you're across the pond, a glass of wine or a glass of champagne, and let's roll. Okay, I'm bringing you today another Diva approved product. I was going to include it in my last week's video, my Diva approved products, but this one needed a bit of a standalone because it needs a little bit more of a more detail. And by the way, so that there's no confusion, last week's video was also a giveaway video. I mentioned it in the video, but I forgot to mention that I was not going to be replying to the comments because it's a giveaway. This video as well is going to be a giveaway video, so I won't be replying to the comments, but next week will not be a giveaway video, and I will be replying to my comments. Okay, enough babbling. We're talking about skin toning, how we can firm up the skin, our muscles, our facial muscles. In November, I was contacted by Elizabeth, who is the owner of the company called Myotone. Now, she asked me if I would be interested in trying this skin toning. It's called a home facial toning unit. It is a microcurrent, skin toning device. For those of you that have been with me for a while, right from the get-go, you know I'm not a gadget girl at all. My philosophy is I prefer to leave that to the professionals. However, she really sold me on it. She said, this is a great device. I'd really appreciate it if you'd give it a try. And I said, as usual, I'll give it a try, sure. If I like it, I'll talk about it. If I don't, then I won't mention it. And she was good with that. So anyhow, I got this device, and I started it during the Christmas holidays. And one of the things that irked me at first is, oh gosh, am I going to have to spend like 20 minutes a day on this? Like this is, I know I'm not going to do that. My skincare regime is laborious enough as is. I don't want to add on another 20 minutes. Well, it turns out, you'll see by the directions, it takes a whole of 3 minutes a day, okay? And that's for 5 weeks, and then you just go down to 1 or 2 times a week. So I started, and I followed the diagram here because this is the area that I've been concerned about. Excuse me. Just got a tickle in my throat. And here as well, where the fine lines are. So I thought, let me give this a go. So I started it. Now, it's got 3 intensities. You just have to turn it on. I started at, let's turn it on there for a minute. I started at 1. And you just go like this, and you hold it for 4 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then again here, 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 and then along the temples, on the forehead, 4 times each way. Intensity 1. Didn't feel a thing. Put it up in intensity 2, still didn't feel a thing. Intensity 3, still didn't feel a thing. Okay, well, this is not doing anything, right? And I'm thinking, okay. But I committed. I said I was going to give it a 3-week whirl, a 21-day challenge. So I'm going along and still not feeling anything. Like, it really doesn't. Some people get some sensation. I don't. So I'm going along. After about 2 weeks, I get an email from Ruja, who works with Elizabeth. And Ruja's asking me, how's it going? And I said, Ruja, I'm not feeling a thing. Whatever. I said, if I do, I'll email you. Well, probably about the 3rd week, I'm talking to somebody, and somebody asked me if I lost weight. And no, I wish. No, I didn't lose weight. And I'm sitting there like this, and then all of a sudden, and let me turn this off, I'm feeling this. And guess what, ladies? It's firm. I can't believe it. It's working. I cannot believe it. I was tickled pink. So I immediately sent Ruja and Elizabeth an email because I was not exactly that thrilled about it the first couple of weeks. And I said, you know what? I'm so excited. I can't wait to talk about this because I'm noticing it here. And especially here. You know how you get, gravity's not our friend once you know, as we age. It's just not our friend. But you know how we get those little pooches here? Those were driving me nuts. They're gone. They're literally gone. This, because I've been using it like this as well. Gone. My little waddle there that was starting. Gone. I haven't really noticed much in my forehead, but I've noticed here as well. This must have a sort of similar effect of if you get Botox, which I don't. But, you know, I guess Botox just really, it tightens the muscles, right? Well, this here, I've noticed my fine lines are not as evident. So it's got to be this. So you know what? I am loving this. Mwah. Absolutely love it. I can't believe it. And I'll tell you another thing too. About 2 or 3 years ago, I got a unit similar to this called New Face. If I can insert a picture, I'll insert a picture. But I got that as a gift. It was a friend of mine who bought it for herself. It didn't work on her. She passed it on to me to see if I were. It did nothing. Zippo, nada, nothing. Just a waste of my precious time moving these stupid things that looked like a sex toy or something. I don't know what it was. But anyhow, it did nothing. This, easy peasy, 3 minutes a day. Absolutely am loving it. Also, what I like about it is if you leave it on the first intensity, you can use your serum, not cream, a serum. And you can use it, just glide it along your face for about a minute, and it just helps for the infusion of your serums. Much like, you know, the Tria for the eye area? Same thing. So it's dual purpose for me. I absolutely love this. And I forgot to mention, when I use it, this will come to you in a pouch like this. And in the pouch, you will have the unit. I'm just going to turn it off because it comes already with the batteries. But it also comes with a conducive gel. Now you use a little bit of the conducive gel, and you also put a little bit of gel on the knobs, and you go to town with this. Now, but if you run out of conducive gel, or conducive gel is not your thing, you can use serum or you can use water. So it's not an issue, because I was concerned about if I run out, could I repurchase this? Absolutely, the site sells this. But in a pinch, you can use your serums, because I've been, like I said, I've been using it for my serum. And like I said, do not use a cream. Make sure that it is a serum. But I absolutely love this. So if you are looking to tone your facial muscles, this is a great alternative. Now, Maya Tone, she has these professional machines that are used in medical clinics and spas. This is the unit that she sells to her clients that go and get the microcurrent done professionally, and this is just for at-home maintenance. Now, if you have Botox, it's not an issue. It should prolong the the length of your Botox, and for fillers as well. However, if you do get fillers, not to use this, wait 2 weeks after you have had your fillers put in to be able to use this, and this will prolong your fillers. So I am told. But anyhow, all to say is this is definitely Diva approved. I have noticed a difference. I probably should have done it before and after, but you know what? The difference is, originally I was going to start just with one side of my face, but I thought, gosh, I don't want to end up if it works with a lopsided face. But the difference is not really, I don't think it's visible to the naked eye. It's visible to me because I can feel it. And that to me is a bonus. You know, it's nothing drastic. It just keeps your face toned. And if I can control this from sagging, I tell you, I am one happy camper. So I will have all the information on this below. Also, I have two to give away. Yes, I tell you, you will love it. I'm sure whoever wins, I want to have feedback in at least 6 weeks from now. Let me know how you like it. So all you have to do is leave a comment, and it's open internationally. I will not be replying to my comments in this video either. So good luck to you all. I will announce the winner in 2 weeks, along with the I'll announce the winner in 2 weeks for this, the Myotone, and also for the Camille Beckman products that I had in my last video. I will announce all those winners in 2 weeks time. I don't know the date. I'll put that down below in the information box. So on that note, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Je vous embrasse de Montréal. Soyez prudents, soyez belles. What does Natalie tell you? Natalie tells you when you look at yourself in the mirror, Natalie tells you you're beautiful. Because you know what? You are. You're beautiful inside. The rest is just decoration. Play with your makeup. Bye, ladies. Have a great week.